This is seriously a game-changing makeup that I'm about to show you right now. I just got this new product from It Cosmetics. It is their Do It All Concealer. So I did try this already and I could not believe how amazing it is. So I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys. Now, again, I did try this. So it does come with the sponge tip applicator. It is skincare infused and they say that this is skincare first. So it's definitely going to help plump up fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to smooth your complexion. It has done that already for me because like I said, I have tried this and it was so good. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to show you. So let me go ahead and just put some on here and kind of show you. You do twist it to get the product out. Oop, I just took way too much. Okay. And you know, it just applies to your skin absolutely beautifully. It's very serum like, it's very hydrating, and I just have to put that there. There is also a brush, you guys. This is the It Cosmetics has come out with this new brush. I believe this is new and it is just absolutely amazing. So it has that kind of beveled edge to it, super soft bristles. I have actually even used this to apply my contour, my cream blushes, and it came out so beautiful. So you could definitely do a bunch with this brush here. But I hope you could see just how easily this concealer just melted into my skin. And, you know, you could just flick away the excess and, you know, depending what kind of coverage you want, I did just put on a lot of product, right? But you could definitely put on less. And for example, let's see this side. You'll see how it looks on this side is much less product. So you could get, you know, a sheerer application, a more natural application, or you could get a very glam application. So it's just absolutely amazing, feels incredible on your skin. And oh, I hate to waste a drop of this stuff is like liquid gold. It's like so amazing. I'm like taking every little bit off because I don't want to waste an ounce of this. So I'm just going to use some like that, and let's call it a day with this. But you know, I am going to blend more, but I just wanted to show you that. And now also, you guys, this is new from Too Faced. Let me go ahead and grab it. Okay, here it is. Too Faced has come out with these are melting, bronzing, and sculpting sticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this now. So I did try this product already, but I didn't try this particular shade. So this one here, I believe, is a bit deeper than the other ones I tried. This one is called Chocolate Mousse. So I did try, I believe, Chocolate Souffle, and then again, this is Chocolate Mousse. Now, oh my goodness, these smell so good. These have that delicious chocolate scent that was in, you know, the original Too Faced packaging. It's that same incredible scent. Oh my gosh, I wish I could eat this. Okay, but you can't. You can't. Or you can't eat it. Okay. Okay, you know, you don't need a lot, but should we do the most? Okay, let's do a little bit more. It's so creamy, you guys, and it's pretty flippin' amazing. Now, let me go ahead and grab a brush here. I am back in my beauty space, so I do have some brushes finally, because usually I'm in my living room and I don't have anything in my dining room, you know. But let me go ahead and press this in now, and you can see how it's gonna melt into my skin, melt into that concealer. See how gorgeous it just melts in. Yeah, I like this shade better. The other one I tried was, it was nice, but it was, I like it a little more glam. So this one is of course deeper, and so you could really see it. You can see more of the contour. So I hope you could see too how it's just blended into that concealer. So everything just is very easily blended. And where did I put my sponge? Let's take a sponge now and just, you know, push everything in so we could get a really seamless look. Guys, what do you think? Isn't that gorgeous? And I did have on my skin, before I put on this concealer, I had on the Super Goop, the Glow Screen. So that's a sunscreen with like a shimmer and illumination to it. So let's push this in. Very nice. Look at that. You don't even need to do a lot because it just melts into your skin. How incredible is that? Wow. And there you go. How amazing. I do have one more thing, guys, to show you, but I'm going to set this so that it doesn't crease up. on me, but you know what? It's not, it probably wouldn't even crease up because I've been wearing this for the past few days and it does not cause fine lines and wrinkles, to be emphasized. It's so hydrating. It actually fills in your fine lines and wrinkles. It actually smooths your complexion. So that Do It All concealer is amazing. Also, of course, this Too Faced bronzing stick is amazing, but this concealer, if you're like me, I can't be without concealer, otherwise I don't look right. So this one is a must have. It's a serum. It is multivitamins in it, filled with multivitamins. It's just incredible. So do you guys see how everything just blended so effortlessly together? I mean, how amazing is that? I'm just going to take a little setting powder just to set. And that brush is also a must have. That brush is so amazing. But I'm just taking a little setting powder now just to set this, and then I do have a new lip product from BareMinerals too. So guys, I just set the concealer with the Huda powder, pound cake powder. And so how gorgeous though. I mean, this concealer feels like a dream. This bronzer is amazing. And I do have the Laura Geller palette on my eyes. This is the Candy Cravings palette. I love this palette. I wear it all the time. I got this in my boxy. Did you guys get it in your boxy? Let me just go ahead and put a little bit. It does come with a blush and a shimmer here in addition to the shadows. So I'll put some of the shimmer on here, and let's see, put some in there like that. And I do have on the Essence mascara. You guys, this mascara is so good. This is the Lash Like a Boss. Well, I do have on half lashes too, but even with the on its own, it's just so luxurious. It's like better than high-end mascara. So okay, let's put on, should we put on a little blush just to give a little look to this, a little more looksy, put together a look here. Okay, let's put on a little blush and see what we can do here. Yes, I never used this blush. Wow, it's beautiful. I wasn't expecting that because again, maybe I've never used this blush. I just always use the eyeshadows. And I usually reach for a pink blush, and this is peach, so haven't usually been wearing peach blushes, but have you guys been into pink or peach blushes? Because are you like me, but I get hooked on a blush and that's it. I've been hooked on the pink blushes out there. They're so gorgeous, those baby pink blushes, and now I just can't do anything but the pink blush. So let's see here. Okay, let's just give a quick spray. It's Huda setting spray, which I love. And people were having an issue. Jeffree Star said it first, but then I guess other people brought it up. Their ball was getting stuck. There's a ball in here and it was getting stuck, but okay. Mine hasn't gotten stuck, but it was kind of dribbling out the product. Now, this is so amazing, you guys. This is from BareMinerals. This is their lip liner. I wear this all the time, and you wouldn't think this is a color that you would love, but so much, because it's called Mulberry, I believe. It's a berry color, but it's just, it's just perfect. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on, and then I have a new lip oil from BareMinerals. So here is this. It comes out across as almost as a nude kind of shade, but it's not. It's berry, so it's really different. But it's very complimentary if you have a complexion like mine. It doesn't make you look washed out and things like that. So that's why I really like this. And this blends so beautifully into, so here's how it looks. And then here's a new lip oil, nourishing lip oil from BareMinerals. And I'm going to put on this pink one here. This is called Delight. So there's a bunch of different colors though. I just love pink lips though currently. So let's go ahead and try this one. So have you guys tried these yet? It feels so good. Oh wow, it's so pretty. It feels really good when you put it on. Wow. And the applicator is so nice. It's large, but it's also very precise. It has sort of a rounded tip to it, so it's very precise. So, where you put it, you can really put it exactly where you want it. So what do you guys think? Have you tried any of these new Makeup 2025 products? I think they're absolutely, seriously game changers. They're amazing, especially this concealer. I mean, you can't beat it. This lip oil it feels incredible. It's made of clean beauty ingredients, so how great is that? And of course, that Too Faced contour stick is stunning too. Wow. Actually, it's so beautiful. So what do you guys think? Have you tried any of these? Of course, I always talk about this palette. This palette is everything and then some. Oh, and this brush is so stinking good, you guys. This It Cosmetics brush, amazing. So let me know if you've tried any of these yet. Will you be picking them up? Let me know down below your thoughts. And that's pretty much it. I hope you are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.